Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 267, AI-generated text with Copilot. Copilot is Microsoft's artificial intelligence assistant that, unless you've been living under a rock or new to the Microsoft space, you've probably heard talked about a lot recently. Copilot is able to help with a lot of tasks and do a lot of cool things, and this includes functionality specific for Power Pages. In our next few tips, we're going to explore how Copilot can help with your Power Pages site. First, let's get Copilot to help us generate the text that appears on our site. Let's look at an empty text block on an existing page in the Power Pages Design Studio. If you hover over it, you'll see the Copilot button. Clicking that brings up a prompt where you can ask Copilot to generate some text for you. Once generated, you may see multiple options which you can then add to the page. Or you can ask Copilot to adjust the text by either rewriting it completely, changing the tone, changing the length, or by giving it more details to work with. You can also use Copilot to suggest changes to content you already have. Writing text for your site is often not a fun job, especially for proof of concepts and demos. So why not let Copilot help you with this? Of course, it is still your responsibility to proofread everything that Copilot gives you, but it is still a great head start. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 267 on AI-generated text with Copilot useful.